Hello everyone, my name is Kayo Mekun, but you can simply call me Kayo. I am here to specially welcome you to Kayo School of Arts, where the finest fashion designers are being made. As your coach on this program, I'd love to ask you one question. Why do you want to be a fashion designer? Is it basically to make money, or because of the popularity of the career? Or do you really enjoy creating? As much as it is important to make money, in fact, that is the primary reason why we work. Doing what you love to do is even much more important. There are lots of skills that you can acquire to make money. You can be a caterer, you can be a makeup artist, you can be an interior designer, and the list is endless. You ought to search within yourself and weigh the options of the things that you really like to engage in, and then you can turn that passion into money. I can tell you affirmatively from experience that genuine passion is what will keep you focused and going when pattern making is looking like quadratic equation, when the back of your neck hurts from sewing sitting position. But to encourage you, I will give you a few reasons why you should be a fashion designer. Number one, it meets one of man's basic needs, which is clothing. So as long as people need clothes to cover their nakedness, the future of fashion designing is endless. Number two, it gives you the freedom to express your inner creativity in your own unique way. Number three, it is highly lucrative. If you can complement your knowledge of the skill with the right business branding strategies, then even the sky wouldn't be your limit. And yes, you get to be your own boss and work at your own pace. To be completely honest with you, fashion designing is not for the faint-hearted or the lazy, but I pray that God will help your determined heart. On this note, I wish you the best of luck, and I hope that you really enjoy this journey you're about to embark on, and I will see you real soon.